Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm the Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I have a finished object for you, which are my Christmas socks. I finished them on the 2nd of January. I love these so much, so thank you so much for the yarn. I got the yarn as a gift from Sarah, so thank you so much. As you can see, they're knitted. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you quickly what I used. It's not a tutorial, but if you're looking for a tutorial, I exactly knitted the sock the way I normally knit socks. So at the end of this video, over here you will see recommended videos, and I'm going to put it down there for you, so just click afterwards. I think it's like 33 minutes, I'm not sure. But anyway, how did I knit these? Toe up, 2 at a time. I had also received a beautiful contrast colors from the same brand. I'm going to show you in a sec what it is. I decreased it to 56 stitches, then I was knitting for a bit, and then I did ribbing 2x2 with a finish, and then at the end I inserted a heel, which is afterthought heel. I like to do, I think I did 3 rounds over here or 4. I normally like to do that, depends on the thickness of the fingering weight yarn. I kind of go with the flow, you know, 1 here there for me doesn't make much of a difference, but I like to have those 3-4 rounds around my heel because they're fitted better than. Love these, don't you think? Beautiful color. I use this amazing bag. I got this bag last Christmas with minis, and I think all of it, I'm not sure the bag, but I know minis were from Dream Dye Works, Dream Fibers, I think. So I'm not sure if the bag was included in it. I did not got that advent calendar. I got it as a friend. I got it as a gift from a friend, and you can see some dingling things, and this is must knit. I ran out of my keychain socks. As you may notice, if you're not watching it for the first time, just check my videos, and for the quite a period of time I'm just finishing socks. Needles that I use in this situation, I use interchangeable Hayahayas. Sharp, I love pointy needles. That's my preference, and we have interchangeable over here. So US size 1, 2.25 millimeters, 5-inch actual needle, and then I have a cord, and this cord is 40 inches, which is 100 centimeters. And it's pink. Oh, and my pouch under the tree. Okie dokie. So let's start with the yarn. The contrast color yarn that I got information over here, where it is West Yorkshire Spinners, signature 4-ply, 20 grams, 510 cayenne pepper for heels and toes. So now you can check it on the screen, check my pronunciation just because. And I still have leftovers, can you believe? I think my ribbing is like 15 rounds. Just guessing. I think I like that, 15. I think 14 and I'm casting it off. Over here I have leftovers, and I just checked, and it is 59 grams. So literally, let's say 60, okay? I used 40 grams to knit these socks, and look how long the cuff is. It's amazing. The main colors, though, if you want to, it's exactly the same thing. It's West Yorkshire Spinners and signature 4-ply. It is 75% wool, 25% nylon, 35% of that wool contains blue-faced Leicester, and the color is very light, and it's I think 06, so I'm going to show you that. So here it is. On the screen you can see a label, you can see yarn in a cake, and here you can see the name of the yarn, and I think the number is 06, just in case you're looking for it. Beautiful, beautiful Christmas yarn. I cast it on. I actually casted on these on the 1st of December, or maybe 3rd, just to have some project to go. I think last year I cast on the 1st I think Christmas Eve, and you know, it takes a while to knit socks, and I wanted them to prepare me for Christmas, let's say it that way. And you know, December for me is not the best month because we don't, you know, the days are shorter, everything like that, so something like this just bright up my days. And if you watch my Vlogmas, I was doing the vlogs from the 1st until the 24th of December. You could have seen it where and I was knitting these socks. I knitted these socks in the coffee place, I was knitting the socks in the car, I was knitting the socks at work, I was knitting the socks at home, I was knitting the socks at the garage. Yeah, loads of places. But because it's a plain vanilla, it's just the pattern stripes this way. It was so much fun. I think that's all. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I hope you enjoy this one. Thank you so much for your support. Happy 2019 again, and till the next one. Bye.